Imagine a world where your coffee machine knows exactly when you wake up. Your car drives you to work on its own, and your personal digital assistant has your daily schedule sorted before you've even opened your eyes. This isn't an episode from a sci-fi series, but the reality we're slowly moving towards. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer a concept confined to Hollywood blockbusters or research labs. It's here, and it's transforming our world in ways we could only imagine a few decades ago. Take, for instance, the healthcare sector. In 2021, Google's DeepMind developed an AI system that can predict the structure of proteins, a discovery that could revolutionize drug discovery and disease understanding. This AI system, known as AlphaFold, has been hailed as a solution to a 50-year-old grand challenge in biology, demonstrating the immense potential of AI. Or consider the transportation industry. Autonomous vehicles were once a figment of our imagination. Today, companies like Waymo and Tesla are bringing this vision to life. Waymo's self-driving cars have already covered over 20 million miles on public roads, while Tesla's autopilot system has driven more than 3 billion miles. These AI-powered vehicles are not just making our commutes more comfortable, but they're also making our roads safer by reducing the chances of accidents caused by human error. Even in our homes, AI is making its presence felt. Smart home assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Google Home are becoming increasingly common, helping us control our home appliances, play our favorite music, or even order a pizza with just a voice command. In the world of business, AI is a game changer. It's helping companies make more informed decisions, improve their operations, and deliver better customer experiences. For instance, in 2022, IBM's AI platform Watson helped a global bank save over $400 million by identifying fraudulent transactions. But, as with any powerful technology, AI comes with its own set of challenges. There are concerns about job displacement, privacy, and security. It's crucial that as we embrace AI, we also consider its ethical implications and strive for a future where AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. To sum up, artificial intelligence is not a distant reality. It's here, and it's shaping our world in ways we could only imagine a few decades ago. From healthcare and transportation to our homes and businesses, AI is transforming every facet of our lives. As we continue to explore its potential, we need to ensure that its benefits are shared equitably and its challenges are addressed responsibly. In the grand canvas of human history, we are in the middle of a profound transformation, a transformation driven by artificial intelligence. So buckle up, because this ride is just